Let me tell you a story about Swati. You may know someone like her too. Swati is a nurse at a hospital in Mumbai. She's been a nurse from 5 years and dedicated and committed to her job. She really cares about people, especially her husband and her newborn child. As she about to leave, her husband says, "Take care today." Swati replies, "I will." She can't get close to them because she's scared she might spread COVID-19. She doesn't know if she's affected. She sleeps alone in her own room, even barely sees them even in the evening. Swati travels alone to work every day. She's on the front line like she always been. She plays such an important role in a hospital, even more in the current times. More than ever, her expertise, her compassion, and skills are so needed. Every day, she put her health at risk, hoping to help someone with poor health. She has been supporting the elderly and the newborns, the homeless, anyone who walks through those doors from different backgrounds and walks of life, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. But that doesn't mean that she doesn't have own pressure and stress. She worries on the way to work about who the world may lose today, the pain they will endure and experience. She has to call their families to tell them the news, and she's seeing her colleagues lost to the diseases too. Her friend she worked with for years, a doctor she supported for the last 12 months, her nurses, she's seeing all lost them to the virus. But she's brave and strong. She has to be brave from anyone else. She works more than 12 hours per day, multiple days per week, not knowing when this truly going to end. We want to go outside to get a breath. She goes outside every day to make sure someone get another breath. We may sleep or spend too much time in bed. She doesn't even get a good night's sleep or a good night rest. We are trying to entertain ourselves when we get bored. She doesn't have time to be entertained or to be bored. We want to know when this will be end. So does she, but she can't be stopped. She can't lie in, turn on a show, read a book or play a game. She has to be brave for everyone else. We can't see our friends. She can't hold her child. We can't go to the gym. She's on her feet all day. We can't go to the restaurants. She has to eat in between shifts if she can. We can call our families. She doesn't get to see her all day. We can't take a break. She breaks down in tears in the bathroom. She worries on her way home, not knowing if she's got an infection and she's gonna spread it to her husband and child, and how they makes her feel so disconnected from them, even though she is so close. When she gets home and her baby is crying, she wants to go and pick him up, but she can't. She's going through a lot right now, and we can all do a lot to help. Call a healthcare professionals, ask them how they are and listen to them. Teach their children a subject virtually. Drop off food or get it be delivered. Send masks and supplies. Donate to the local hospitals. And remember, as we heard, we are not stuck at home. We are safe at home. So please stay at home and stay healthy.